This is the second titration. This will be for the flask with the dash on it. This had the second most amount of acid in it, and that's why I'm titrating it next. Now the first trial, I know how much base was used to get to the end point there. So this flask with slightly more acid should take at least the same amount of acid as the first trial. And I can use the knowledge from the first trial to immediately add the same amount of base that I added in the first trial and know that there's little to no chance of going past the end point. And this can save you time in the lab. So I'm going to stream the base in. You'll see the color change happening in the bottom of the flask. Now, sometimes students get no color change at all, and I can tell you that almost always results by forgetting to put the indicator in. But you can definitely see that I have done that. All right, so that's the amount of base that it took to get to the end point in the first trial. There's only a little bit more acid in this trial than the last one, so at this point we need to go slow. So I'm just going to open the valve, get a drip every couple seconds. And you're going to see the same indicators as last time. The volume of colored liquid in the flask will get larger and larger, and it will take longer and longer for the coloration to go away. All right, now that's already starting to happen. So now I need to go drop by drop. So once again, I'm staring at the tip. My goal is to deliver a single drop. Here it comes. Now the drop before was still clear. This drop has actually put me a little bit past the end point. But unless I was willing to do a fraction of a drop, this is as close as I could have hoped to have gotten.